Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use Venmo for passive income step by step clearly. To start using Venmo for passive income, first, download the Venmo app on your smartphone. Create an account by providing your email address, phone number, and a secure link your bank account or debit card to facilitate easy transfers. Explore the Venmo app to understand its features and settings. Consider investing through Venmo by using it for peer-to-peer transactions in a way that generates returns. One approach is to use Venmo to set up a group fund with friends or family for shared investments. Each member can contribute a set amount periodically, turning it into a collective investment opportunity. Another method is to offer services that accept payment through Venmo, allowing you to build a passive income stream. You can also promote your Venmo account for receiving tips or donations if you create content online. Consider creating and selling digital products, like ebooks or courses, and accept payments through Venmo. Ensure that you are clear about the transaction nature to avoid potential misunderstandings. Track your earnings from these ventures regularly using financial tools or apps for better insight. Make sure to comply with all tax regulations concerning payments received through Venmo. Stay updated with Venmo's policies to ensure you're using the platform correctly. Constantly seek feedback from your peers regarding your investment strategies or services offered. Adjust your methods based on what works best for your audience and your financial goals. As your use of Venmo evolves, keep an eye on market trends that could affect your passive income strategies. By applying these steps, you can successfully use Venmo as a tool for generating passive income. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.